Okay, gang, you're working on a few things. First of all, second grade, your learning target is I can color my research picture using the coloring rubric and continue my story kit ebook. Okay, so what does that mean? We're going to color our research picture using this, right? Using the coloring rubric, which is this, and continue your story kit ebook, which is your book on your iPad, right? So first thing, we're working on this form and using our coloring rubric. So for this, remember, you need to fill in all 4 of these boxes. And when you get this approved, when it's done well, you're going to start on this, our second sheet. And there's 4 boxes like this. So make sure you write your name, your grade, your kumu. And there's 4 boxes with sentence lines down here. So you're going to have 1 box for each of these. And then a sentence that goes with this picture. Okay? Now, when you're coloring, you need to make sure you're doing a 4. So our 4 is using at least 5 colors, has lots of detail. The background is colored, there's no white, and it's colored neatly. Okay, so you need to make sure that your pictures on this page look like that. Then we're going to use this to create our ebook. So when you go on your iPad, remember you're going to go to Story Kit. So you go drag down to find it, Story Kit, and there it is. I just put in ST, Story Kit, and there it is. Remember, look at the anchor chart to do this. But remember, you don't do this until this form is done. And these pictures and these sentences are done according to your rubric. Now let's talk about the sentence you're going to do. So the sentence down here, let's talk about that. Should you have a capital? Of course. So when you write your sentence, make sure it starts. Make sure your sentence starts with a capital letter. And there's my capital letter. Make sure your sentence ends with punctuation. Whoops. And there's my period. So it needs to end with punctuation. Make sure all words are spelled correctly. So have a kumu check it to make sure all your words are spelled correctly. Make sure your writing is neat and easy to read. So make sure it's neat and easy to read. If the kumu cannot read it, then it needs to be rewritten so it's neater. If you have any other questions, find the kumu, but I'm sure you'll do a great job. Have fun.